In this video, you will learn how you can create these amazing websites in less than 5 minutes only using AI. We're gonna start off by building the design on Google Stitch, and later on we're gonna go to the AntiGravity, and through MCP servers we're gonna connect Stitch and also Netlify. So we will be hosting this website completely for free, and it will have premium animations. So let's just get started. So starting things off, I just hopped on my free school community and we're gonna copy the Google Stitch prompt. You can find it in the classrooms, and when you copy it, let's just head to the Google Stitch. Google Stitch is basically a free Google tool that creates designs for you. So as an example, I'm gonna show you one of my previous designs. As you can see, I can set up everything. So as you can see, this is the quiz I have on my website. This is the main landing page. So basically, quiz is the UI design tool. And now we're gonna start off by building a landing page for our website. So you have to pick web. And now let's insert this prompt. That's it. And now let's just click on generate. So this stitch is done and we got two different results. So as you can see, this is the first result and this is the second one. So now let's scroll down and let's see. So for example, I really like this design. It shows different locations around the world. So let's just stay with that design. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna delete this one. And also, very quick mention, you can edit these. So if you click on edit, you can just add to chat and you will be chatting about this specific landing page. And moving on, you can also add themes. So if you go on the section, as you can see, we can make it dark, for example, or we can make it light. Also, we can adapt all of our branding. So it's very easy to actually edit it before we publish it. And good thing, you can give a ton of different prompts. So as you can see, the Stitch even suggests us add the dedicated property details page. So for example, if you want to add that, you're gonna push it to the Stitch and it's gonna create a new section right here, which will show the property details page. So let's just wait a bit while it's generating. And we're gonna move on to creating a video on the Google Flow for the hero section of this page. So we got a new section, and if we scroll down, we can already see that we have a product listing section. So when you upload for example, some kind of property onto this page, it will have this kind of view. So it does look pretty insane. It shows the location, it shows the amenities, and it's also the square feet, for example, and the price. And you can schedule a private tour inside this page. So for example, if that's the finished product, we're just gonna move on to the Google Flow. We're gonna keep the Stitch for now, but we will later connect it to the AntiGravity. So for the Google Flow, I have another prompt in my community school. So let's just copy this prompt. And now we're gonna head to the Google Flow. Let's just start off with the new project. This tool is also free to use because I'm using the 3.1 fast. For all of this tutorial, I've been using not a pro version of the Gemini to show you the capabilities that are possible on the free version. So let's just paste this prompt in here. And now we're just gonna click on run. While it's loading, we're gonna go to the AntiGravity and we're gonna connect Stitch and also all of the Netlify MCP servers. This video is gonna be used for the hero landing page. As you can see, we got the result right here. So if we just run it, this looks pretty insane, and we're gonna have this as the main video on our hero section. So all you have to do is just click on download, and you can choose an upscale version. So let's just go with upscaled. Of course, it will give me other results, but I just like this one, so I'm just gonna go with it. These are also very nice, and they show very good details of the properties. So the video has just downloaded, and inside the AntiGravity, we're gonna do a few small things. So first of all, when you go to the agent on the right tab, let's just go to these three dots and let's just click on MCP servers. So on the MCP servers, you're gonna click on manage MCP servers. And as you can see, I have already connected the Netlify and Stitch. So these are the ones we're gonna use for this video. To connect them, all you have to do is just search their Netlify. And you can see Netlify. I installed it already. And you can also insert Stitch. So if you go on Stitch docs and set up an authentication, you can scroll down and you can see the AntiGravity. So all you have to do is just copy all of it, go to the MCP servers onto the AntiGravity, and just view run config. So let's go to here, and all you have to do here is just paste this code, you just copy it and insert your API key. So To get the API key, you just have to go to Stitch again. It's very simple, just go to Stitch settings. And as you can see, you can copy your API key here. So if you don't have a key, you just create key and just copy this key and paste it inside the AntiGravity. Manage MCPs, and I'm gonna turn on this Stitch. And I'm gonna turn on the Netlify too, so all you have to do is just click on enable, and it's now working once you have configured and inserted the API keys. So now back to the agent, and let's start building our website. So first of all, we have to insert the video onto the left side. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna right click right here, and let's select new folder. Let's just write video. And now we're gonna insert a video into this folder. So once you've done that, you should see a video right here, and it's inside the video folder. Yeah, this is the right video. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy the prompt from the school community again for the AntiGravity website, but we also gonna use this Stitch integration for the whole landing page. So from the community, I'm just gonna copy the AntiGravity prompt. This is it. And now let's go back here and let's just paste this in. So let's just paste this prompt and let's just write down here. List use designs from Stitch MCP, and we have to copy the Stitch ID. So inside Stitch, let's just copy these numbers at the back and let's just paste them. Now let's just click on send, and this should work right here perfectly. So AntiGravity went ahead and generated the implementation plan. So as you can see, this is the whole plan. And what you have to check if it says it's gonna use the video. So if it's don't, also use video from video folder on hero section. I'm just gonna mention that. As you can see, it found the video and it used it on the hero section, and it's now generating the whole landing page by using the Stitch projects. The AntiGravity created the page and it's now viewing it live. So what it does, it actually takes screenshots of your landing page and it analyzes if it's working correctly. So this is very insane thing about AntiGravity, that it's actually able to see your whole landing page, analyze and actually fix what's missing, add the details and fix some glitches. As you can see, it's building it live now. And the blue screen means the AntiGravity is onto it. I can't actually edit it or click on anything. Agent is running, controls are disabled. So while it's running, let's wait for it to generate the full landing page, and I'm gonna show you the end result. So AntiGravity is finished, and as you can see, we have all of the tasks here. And one last thing is, all you need to do to deploy the site, just say deploy it on Netlify through MCP. That's it. What it will do, it will actually connect to your Netlify because you added the API keys right here on the MCP servers. As you can see, it's adding these up, and it will actually be completely working site hosted on the Netlify without even going on the Netlify and deploying the project yourself. This will be done inside the AntiGravity, so you can instantly send a link to this company and tell them this is the website I made for you. Are you interested? So this is actually very insane. As you can see, it's using the MCP tools on the Netlify deployment, and it will deploy the site automatically without us even touching a finger. And now we are on the website. As you can see, we got the video we requested onto the hero page, and if we scroll down, we can see the feature listings. And that's it for this now, but if we want to click on the listing, it also loads and we have everything that's needed. We can click on different photos, we can insert our own photos here, and also the description, the advisor, we can insert photos, and we can schedule a private tour. This is a working form. So this is just insane. We can also view in maps, we can add the maps integration, so there are a ton of things you can do. So there's a property list. I know there's a glitch right here, but it's easy fixable. So all in all, it's just insane, like what you can do with the AntiGravity. And this isn't the best thing about it. The best thing, all you need to do, find the real estate businesses and offer them this website. You can actually adapt this website to any client, and best part, when they are requesting a change, all you have to do is go here, you have different anti-gravity folders for different type of businesses. So for example, you work with 3 companies that are doing real estate, and you can charge them monthly, because what you can do, when they upload a new listing, they just contact you, they send you the photos. What you're gonna do, you just go to the AntiGravity, you open a new folder, insert the photos, write one prompt, create this listing, that's it. You have a whole new listing inside their website, and it took you less than 1 minute, and you can charge more than $500 every single month for uploading these listings, because they need a lot of time to actually upload the listings themselves. And you, as the website owner, you can charge them monthly and actually upload the listings for them. So this is a very great business model, because you can charge like 3 brands, 5 brands, $500 every single month, and that stacks up a lot. Also, you can charge for the single fee while creating the website, and then charge monthly. So the earning potential is actually insane. And if they also need any kind of fix, all you have to do is go to the AntiGravity, write a simple prompt, and it's fixed. Boom, that fast. It takes like 1 minute to actually fix some issues inside their website. So start building and actually start selling these websites. If you want to learn more, I do have some tutorials on my free community, so the link is in this video description, and hope to see you in the next one.